Mommy, 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 mommy. One day I used to call my papa to tell her, fall in love. I'm single. Yes, the single hit maker is set to come to Arua this year, and it's not long enough. It's really long. It's gonna happen. Which is gonna be the 28th of December, just 3 days after Christmas. But there is something big today. A statement from himself, that is Harmonize, issued a statement regarding a recent issue or a recent crackdown which came from security officials debarring or blocking his concert from happening at the Saleh's ground located in Arua city. As a reminder, let's check what the security said about the coming function.
I have been seeing around some people are advertising for night shows or for public shows in the Saleh's ground. But I want to sound a warning that as a security team that I had in Arua city, security has advised that Saleh's ground is out of bound to conduct public shows because of security incidences that we foresee can likely happen and compromise public safety and security. I therefore want to advise that revealers who would want to pay for shows that is being advertised in the Saleh's ground should not risk their money.
The East African star responded today with a statement, and he said he does his things professional. So the fans who have bought tickets, the fans who are planning to go, should not lose hope. They should be there on the 28th at the venue, the same venue, Saleh's ground, so that they can enjoy. He said he does it professional, and he said nobody should give a F.
Hey, Uganda, what a city. Promise you this, right? I do my job very professional, understand? Promising my fans, understand? If you bought your tickets already, worry city, just make sure that you know that I'm gonna perform no matter the matter. You feel me? I can handle my shit, you understand? I won't send nobody to handle that stuff, you understand? No disappointment. Make sure you pull up to the stadium. Let's have a show. Let's have fun. There's no any Uganda artists fucking around. Before I call my dogs, you know how familiar I am, right? Understand? All the areas of my dog, you understand? From the Kenzo, from Paraso, from Chameleon, from like Fiki from America, all them my dogs, but you know what? I'm not gonna use them. I'll handle this shit myself, understand? No one can fuck it on. Bombo clat.
Bombo clat.
In the blood of Jesus.
Bombo clat.
Well, if you review the prices, advanced tickets going at 50k, gates at 60k, VIP at 80k. That's VIP advance at 80k, then VIP gate is at 100k. Then for those who want table, you will have to go 6 to 2 million. That is they give you whiskey and some soft drinks. So that is a review. So this star is set to come. A lot of people have been reacting so much, some criticizing, some saying yes, it's a good move for the people of Northern Uganda, because Northern Uganda have been bringing in big artists. Some people are saying maybe Northern Uganda has already split it. Maybe Nile Republic has already happened. I wish it could be that. That's a joke. But then the fact is, I think Northern Uganda are tired of doing something with those who don't want to do it together with them. In Africa, the level of hate or tribalism is so consistent. So I think Northern Uganda have moved on. It's like somebody, a wife or a man who has been chucked by the lover. That's what Northern Uganda is. So they've moved on. They're doing their own things, trying to do their own things within the means that they have. So Harmonize, coming, 28, Arua City, this very year. So, and also it's a moment to talk about something like Amapiano, which is already trending so much. Amapiano, which is trending, came from South Africa by them going back to explore their roots. That's the traditional music. We have seen South Africa dominating music in the 80s and 90s, but then currently, then also Congo came in with their Lingala, Kenya came in with their bongo flavor. Uganda have been trying to copy anything that comes. Jamaicans, you saw them with the dancing. Then in America, you saw them with electronic dance music has been taken away by USA. And again, Nigeria again came in with Afrobeats. And then when South Africa reinvented the Amapiano, Nigerians realized the history of controlling music. They knew South Africa would take over. When DJ Mavfrisa and Major Laza went to promote the Amapiano, Nigerians decided, no, let's take this thing up. And now you could see the people like Hasake and the rest. They've done it. Now you could see, you have seen people like Harmonize have nailed single, which is an Amapiano music from East Africa here. Ever since Amapiano was released, Ugandans have been trying to copy, but they've not done it well. The Amapiano is so dry. All the Amapiano music that have been played in Uganda, the Amapiano music which have been played in Uganda are so dry. They are not the real Amapiano. They are not immersive. They don't give the immersive sound that somebody would wish to have. And also, when you look at the other side, Ugandans don't have any music genre. They just skip from one to another. So it's a reminder that the sound engineers that we have actually and everywhere, we need to explore music. We need to do something new. I love it when New Kubus was played, when Bosmic released Low Blood, and when Man CJ came with Appeal. I remember when, and also Kulu was there, and then Leo Palayeng with Ba Palamiel, and a lot of songs now from Leo Palayeng is of mixture of the modern synthesized beats with the traditional instruments. So we need that. If we are to break the international market, we need that. We need that. That's a message to Northern Uganda. Playing the beats which is being played by the Central Uganda. If we do it better than them, will not help us. Those of Lomix, they don't try it. They were not given that opportunity. It was just words. So the level of tribalism here is too much. This is the fact. We need to look at the national market. And this step of bringing artists from outside is a good step, because we can start doing exchange, taking them also outside. But we need a zona. We need something in English. Let nobody lie to you that your music will always sell to somebody who don't understand your language. The people from Central Uganda, they lie to each other that they're selling in Russian. No, it is the Central Ugandans who are in Dubai, India, Saudi Arabia and the rest who call them for concerts to go and perform there, but not those other people, those other people to listen to that. No, they don't. So we need to stick to that international language, that is English. And also, let's revolutionize our zona. I have always said Leo Palayeng is calling it Electronics. Easy is calling it New Kubus. Easy and Luxy Mover. So the question is to the producers: if you can produce a PO by Man CJ, if you can produce New Kubus, if you can produce I'm So UG by Romeo Odong, why can't you produce another one? Why can't you always try to produce that? I think the word guys also, you need to put some hours specifically for those fusion. I should not forget about African Warrior by Judah Rap Knowledge. All those are the fusion which the world needs. The world is lacking something new. So that's all for the entertainment. Thank you so much, and if you're subscribed, we will keep going on together. Thank you. I wish you nice festivity as it rolls on. Stay with your family. Wish blessing, love, and unity with your loved ones. Thank you.